Today we're going to do a little bit of glute work, working primarily hip extension. So you can use a ball to base yourself on, a couple yoga blocks, or even just one, or you can use the foam roller. Let's go ahead and just use the foam roller to give you an idea. So you'll be laying on your back. Your heel is on whatever object you choose. You can also use a bench or a stool, or even make it higher. I just want you to be able to get off the ground. So the other leg's going to be up in the air. You're going to bridge up, holding that position there. You're going to start. So the first one is just rolling extension of the hip, nice and high up. And I have you do working towards 20, but start with 5 to 10 if that works for you. After that, your last one, you'll stop here, and you're going to do a real tiny little glute squeeze, almost like a little pelvic tilt. Squeeze, relax, for a count of 16 there. And on your final one, you'll stop and squeeze hard as you can, keeping your pelvis level, foot up in the air, holding, and then you'll do a repeat of that 10 to 20 rolling hip extension. And then once you finish that last one, you'll just go ahead and change legs and start all over again. So again, rolling hip extensions, the little tiny squeezes, contract, relax, a good solid hold, and then a repeat of the rolling extensions. So you can do multiple sets on each leg, give those a shot and see how it goes.